Please put your hands together and welcome to the stage.
Welcome back to See on the House. Hello everyone, welcome to See on the House. Today I'm excited to give you a quick update on the Power Platform Conference 2024, which was recently held in Las Vegas. I was at the venue and I have gathered some key insights that I think you will find really valuable. This year's conference was bigger than ever with lots of exciting updates, especially for those of us using Microsoft Power Platform. So let's dive right in. First, Microsoft focused this year on its Copilot strategy. Copilot is an AI-powered tool that helps users create apps, workflows, and automation with minimal coding. Whether you're using Power Apps, Power Automate, or Power BI, Copilot helps streamline the development process, making suggestions, and even automating part of it. It's an incredible time saver for anyone working in these spaces.
This amazing Copilot integration is embedded in the model-driven app, allowing us to search using natural language. It intelligently converts your query and automatically filters the relevant columns in the table. And when you need to add a new entry, there is no need to fill out each field manually. You can simply copy a paragraph from an email or any other source, paste it into the form, and it will automatically populate the data, including the dates and other details.
One of the coolest thing they demonstrated was how Copilot can learn from what you are doing and build automations for you. Imagine showing the AI a repetitive task like entering data or generating reports, and it automatically creates a workflow for you. This kind of automation can seriously transform how business operate. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting updates, generative actions. This feature allows you to describe what you want the AI to do and it automatically generate the process to make it happen. It's perfect for handling complex tasks with multiple steps, reducing manual effort while still giving you a control over the outcome. Microsoft is clearly pushing the boundaries of AI powered automation, and this is a game changer for business looking to optimize their workflows. The Power Platform itself is growing at an insane rate. Right now, there are 48 million people using Power Platform every month, and it's not just developers, it's everyday users. Microsoft is really focusing on making these tools more accessible for non-technical people too, which is why the community aspect is so strong. In fact, every 6 minutes a question is get solved on the Power Platform community site. That's the power of collaboration right there. Another major theme this year is the ecosystem approach. Microsoft want users to combine different Power Platform tools like Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI to create more powerful solution. The message was clear: using these tools together, bringing more value than just using them individually. It's all about integrating different parts of the platform for bigger, smarter results. One demo that really caught my attention was from HSBC, one of the largest bank in the world. They are using Power Automate to handle their customer survey data. In the demo, they showed how HSBC collects survey data from Excel and automatically process it using Copilot. Let me show you a quick demo.
Robotic Process Automation (RPA) can now be done effortlessly using Copilot in Power Automate Desktop. It's as simple as showing and telling Copilot what needs to be done, much like working with Excel macros. For example, I can instruct Copilot to take data from each row of a file, input it into a website, and then click Submit, and repeat the process for all rows on the internal site. So let's start. So first I navigate to my Edge browser and I click navigate to this site. When I'm here, I click on this Excel button to download the most recent survey data. When it's downloaded, I open in an Excel. Next, I navigate to this internal site. I click on surveys and upload new survey again, and then once the file is open, I want to copy over all the data from Excel into this internal analytics tool. I want to copy over the data row by row, and after each row, I click submit.
As you can see, the process starts by downloading the latest survey data from Excel and then uploading it into an internal analytics tool. The beauty of this automation is that what used to take hours of manual work is now completely automated with Power Automate and Copilot. HSBC is able to reduce the time spent on this process by using AI to handle data entry and flow creation. It's amazing to see how much time this saves and how reliable process becomes without human errors. HSBC examples is a great demonstration how Copilot can simply process and help business save valuable time, whether it's automating customer data or handling workflows. The possibilities are endless with Power Platform's AI-driven tools. And if you are someone who works in teams, here is a feature that's going to make your life easier. Real time. You can now have multiple people working on the same app simultaneously. This is a huge win for development team as it speeds up the process and makes the team work so much smoother. Microsoft also emphasized that this is not just a technical revolution, it's a shift in mindset. They talked about their vision for the future of apps, and the goal is to make apps into lighten and easy to create. We are talking about apps that not only perform tasks but can think and automate process on their own, with features like Copilot agents which work in the background to complete the task. We are moving towards a world where apps and workflows will be much smarter and more capable. So, to sum up the key takeaways, Copilot is evolving to help developers and users at every stage of their work. Generative actions are making automation even more dynamic and flexible. Real-time co-authoring is here and making collaboration easier. The HSBC demo shows how AI-driven automation can simplify complex data processing. And finally, the Power Platform ecosystem is all about integration, working with tools together to unlock more potential. In short, this was a massive conference with a clear message. Power Platform is growing fast and Microsoft is investing heavily in AI to make it easier for everyone to build smart apps and workflows. If you are in this space, the new tools and features are definitely worth exploring. Stay tuned to See on the House because I will be diving deeper into some of these features and how you can make most of them in your projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more updates on tech, automation and everything Microsoft. See you next time.